Hey guys, so today's video is a mini clothing haul. I have a few pieces here and there that I think that are haul worthy, so I'm going to be sharing that with you in a minute. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're the real G. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Help us get to the point where these clothing brands can sponsor our videos. Wouldn't that be nice? It would be so helpful. And also like this video if you haven't, so that other people can see it and watch and subscribe. Yeah, so let's get into this haul. My first piece is from Shein. I never know how to pronounce this brand. This is a two-piece set, a jacket and a short with a belt, and this comes in the size 3X. So I got this in a size 3X because I want the shorts to fit loosely, but I'm going to put a video representation here so you can see how it looks on me. So the short fits perfectly and the jacket is a bit big, but I think that's the idea behind the design of the clothes. So yeah, this is like a very nice, I don't know whether to call it mustard yellow or golden yellow. I think I'll go with golden yellow. I got this piece from my, I don't know what to call her, a personal shopper, but she sells clothes online. She can also help you get things that are not on her page. So yeah, next piece is also from Shein and I got it from the same lady. So this is a jacket and it's see-through. Obviously you have to wear something inside. You're going to see how it looks on me over here, and it's quite loose fitted, but I think that's the idea. Although I might have to fit it a bit, but I still like the way it looks and I can manage it like that. I can rock it like that. It looks really good, and I like the fact that it has like all these patterns or designs, or I don't know what to call them on it. It makes it not look basic. So my next piece is from Yango Mango. I have worn this before, so I'm just going to put a picture of what I looked like when I wore it. I wore this to my sister's birthday dinner and it looked very nice. It doesn't look like much, but it fits good. I like the fact that the sleeves are see-through and then the rest of the gown is like black. If I'm to do this again, I think I'll go up a size because it was really fitted. I needed something that would like have a loose fit but still a bodycon. By the way, I got this in the size 16 and it's quite stretchy. So yeah. Next item is also from Yango Mango. So because I got this outfit from them and I took a picture and tagged them, they decided to give me two pieces to, you know, wear and take pictures for them, you know, natural born influencer, whatever. So they gifted me this. So yeah, this is a fitted top and I paired it with palazzo jeans. Is that what it's called? Bootcut jeans. Yeah, I paired it with bootcut jeans and it looked so amazing. Like, I like the color. Normally I wouldn't rock this kind of pattern because like it's too much for me, but it fits well and it looks good after I paired it with what I paired it with. She took my measurements. By the way, it's custom made. She took my measurements and I think this is a size 16. So yeah, go patronize them. I'm going to be leaving the name of the brands on the screen and also in my description box. Direct links to all of these pieces that I've mentioned in my description box. So the next one is this velvet dress, also from Yango Mango. This is the second piece I was gifted from Yango Mango, and I love the fact that this is velvet. It is so like, it's so smooth on the skin, so very soothing on the skin and comfortable. This has this sweet feeling, and although it's black and you might think that, oh, this will make you sweat or whatever, no, it does not. It is so chill on the skin. You won't even feel hot one bit, I promise. So this is my first time trying this type of design, this ruching like design. It doesn't it's not flattering, like it didn't bring out all my curves and everything. I think it's a little too big for me, but I feel like it's not that flattering on me and I might have to fit it, but it looks good. It looks good, and I'm going to have like a good wear out of this before I get rid of it. So yeah, it has a zipper at the back which I managed to zip by myself, and a V-neck. So yeah, the sleeves are just basic with just elastic. I don't know what they call these hems. See, I'm not a fashionista, so I don't know the terms for these things. So what is a plus size haul without Elise Fashbox? You guys already know that I love that brand, but unfortunately I have only one piece from them. So this is a two-piece shirt and shorts, and there's nothing much to be said about this. The material is top-notch. The material is top-notch. The material is quality. Like, there's nothing cheap about this outfit. I just have to properly iron them and rock them. And you can pair this with sneakers, you can pair this with heels, you can pair this with anything. It's just black, very, very basic, simple, casual wear. That's you can just wear to like maybe an event, lunch, whatever it is. You have to dress casually too. So I got this in a size I got this in a size 18 or 20, I think shirt 18, short 20. I'm not really sure because it's been quite long I got this. And this comes in different colors. I just decided to go with black. It comes in blue, royal blue, navy blue, yellow, red, whichever color, and it is custom made. You can also send in your measurements to her instead of like going with a size because it is custom made. Yeah, this fits perfectly and I just love the way it fits. I love the look. I love what you can do with this. Like, you can dress this up and you can dress this down effortlessly. This last piece is my favorite, like my my best piece of this haul. And funny enough, I've forgotten the name of the brand that I got it from, but I'm going to put it on the screen obviously for you to see, and also a link in the description box. So yeah, this is an Ankara piece and I love the colors. It's like, I love the color combination, and it's like a wrap top kind of thing. It's not like a top. I don't know how to explain. So this is it. These are the two hands, and this is the stuff you have to wrap around. Like, you can wear it in different ways. You can wear this in front, or you can wear this at the back. You can wear the wrap in front, or you can wear the wrap at the back. And with this, I think you need like a proper, you need a good handless bra to wear this, because you're going to be compressing your chest. You need something that would, you need a bra that will carry the compression, if that makes any sense. So yeah, this is my best fit, like my best piece in this haul, and I love it so much. I can't wait to rock it, obviously, because like, what, can you see this? Can you see this? I'm so excited for this top, and I know I'm going to wear it. It comes in different colors, by the way. The one I wanted to get was white, teal green, purple, like the mixture of colors, but it was not available at the time, so I got this. The next one I'm going to get is that color, and I think there are like more colors. I'm going to have a lot of them. I can even get the plain. I can even get someone to make. I probably have to find out if they can make, if they can help me make it with like a plain material or something. I love this very much, and you should go. I know you like it. Just go and get it. So yeah, that is all for this haul. I hope you enjoyed it. It's just a few pieces. It's a mini haul. So yeah, those are just few pieces that I felt were haul worthy, even if they're not like a lot. But I feel like they are necessary to be shown, that they are too fine not to be shown. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching, if you watched up to this point, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Help me grow. It's almost the end of the year and I'm still there, but yeah, we move. Anyways, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one.